have a Central Sydney Terminal Service H32 passing. I don't know how many it is. But all I know that it's not stopping. Okay, 4 cars. The next train on platform number 2 does not stop as well. Oh wow. That was fast. Wow. We point up to about to part A1. What the? So we have A1 passing for an emu point service. Well, it ain't the first water time service. In fact, A3 is the first water time service. We have a beta approaching platform number 3. Yeah, on our platform number 4, and it's on a Homebush service, or maybe platform number 5. Yeah, platform number 5. And we have a Homebush service on platform number 5, stopping at Strathfield and Homebush. I saw a Homebush service be there earlier. Oh, and over there we have a water tower. I think it should arrive into platform number 6. Maybe. It's arriving into platform number 5. It turned out the beat exactly on platform number 6. I don't know where it's going. I think the beat is about to depart. Maybe it's just gonna depart now. So we have A78 passing on platform number 1, quite loud. Anyway, A78. So we have A78 passing on platform number 1, quite loud. Anyway, A78. City Circle service leaving, might be able to get to that number. No. Alright, I forgot to do the intro. We have an Oscar about to pass through platform number 2. So this would happen soon once I put some time. So H27 is a front forecast, and H43 is a rear forecast. Anyway, this hangar is leaving. Hangar over there is leaving. Hopefully I'll be able to get that rear half. If I'm not able to get the front half. Arriving into platform number 1. It's a Central Sydney Terminal Service for some reason. By the way, H62 was the word. So hang on. So yeah, P9 was on the rear half of that. Anyway, I'm not on another. Have another water tower arriving. And it's home to via Strathfield. Kind of waiting for the train, not really. But anyway, 2 water tower madness, not really. Next train on platform 3 don't stop though, I think it's right. Probably just right. So, there's a train coming by, got the light a bit. I think it should come any minute now. And we got a water tower passing platform number 3, I think. Maybe platform number 2. Okay, yeah, passing platform number 2. And we're service. So we got B14 arriving into platform number 5. Hey Mom, did you see what I just saw? I saw one on the new train that imprinted.
First stop Ashfield, then Redfern, Central,
oh yeah.
St James, Circular Quay, Wynyard and Town Hall.
Oh, the other train got delayed. It should be coming really soon. Come on, look. Did you see it? Oh yeah. Come on, look at some of the carriages. So we have another beat there. That would be 14. Have another beat. Another train. I want it to be an asset. So I got B13 departing.
Riding bicycles,
And
skateboards, scooters,
I got B24 arriving. B24 arriving.
face masks, and entry on public transport in the Greater Sydney.
Beat that, beat that, beat that, beat that.
Bulldog areas.
That's a beat that kid. Like I only beat that kid, and like I only beat that the one time. A58 over there. Did not see that.
Museum. First stop Croydon, then all stations to Redburn, then Central, Museum, St James, Circular Quay, Wynyard and Town Hall.
A different platform.
You can find or ask to leave on any train or station.
I got that B24.
The next train to arrive on platform 5 goes to Central.
We have a water tower coming here. The golden service. And it's A54. Just have a normal water tower. It's not a beast that I don't want to know, cause I ain't new like beast that like super new. We have H21 and H46 passing platform number 1, which I already did. Service over there, Mr. Water Tower. I don't want to see them. So we have a water tower over there. So yeah, next stop. I'm not gonna name all the stops. Actually, yeah. So next up, I think is actually come here. Solution Station, Starmont, Newtown, Redfern, Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Circular Quay, James and Museum. We got my home bus service arriving. Yeah. And we got another water tower passing platform number 2. Got another one. Just want to find this number. We point service 872 passing. Or that is 62, kinda. Not really. I don't know. So yeah, we got another water tower recording. Passing, not recording. What am I talking about? Anyways, it's just departing actually. So yeah, that one. One time just left. Okay, so I haven't seen the train on platform number 3 this entire day, and I trying to come platform number 4. I think that might be right. Passing platform number. And got a beast arriving into platform number 5. 3 circle service. Oh yeah. So I can't get the set number. Passing platform number 1. So, and then AA central service. And we're going Oscar passing 844. Get more Oscars. 822 is the rear half. I got V8 passing. Yes, I got a V8. Oh my god, I'm a beta approaching platform number 6, I think. And it's on my Washington service. It's on my Washington service. Uppington by Strathfield. Can't tell you the stuff because I don't know. At least we got V8. And that won't be service. And it's 862 again.